Welcome to this Arabic learning video. Today I will write with my hands simple Arabic words, as you can see, with their English meanings, and at the end we will use them to build a sentence together. So let's learn Arabic one word at a time. Now, dear brothers and sisters, we are going to translate these words into Arabic and then we use them in context. Are you ready? Let's go. I wake up. In Arabic, we say أستيقظ. أستيقظ. A S T Y Q Vo. Okay, now we put the vowels, what we call in Arabic al-harakat. This is harf al-alif, so how to pronounce it? A, we put fatha. A S T Y Q Vo. Now, how to say I go in Arabic? We say أذهب. أذهب. A, it's the same like this. V, H, Bu. Bu with dot like this. حركات A, ذ, ه, بو. أذهب. So I wake up. أستيقظ. I go. أذهب. Now how to say I study? Of course we say أدرس. أد ر سو. حركات أد ر سو. And now I come back. I come back. أعود. 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 Now, before we use them into a context, try to repeat with me. I wake up. أستيقظ. أستيقظ. Yes. I go. أذهب. أذهب. Good. I study. أدرس. أدرس. I come back. أعود. أعود. Yes. Now, how to say in Arabic, I wake up in the morning, go to school, study well, then come back home. Let's write it together. So, I wake up in the morning. أستيقظ في الصباح. أس ت ي ق ظ في الصباح. comma. In Arabic we call it فاصلة. فاصلة. أذهب إلى المدرسة. I go to school. أذهب إلى to. Okay, I go to إلى المدرسة. المدرسة فاصلة. أدرس جيدا. أدرس جيدا فاصلة. ثم so أدرس جيدا I study well. Okay, جيدا well. ثم then. Okay, then in Arabic we say ثم. أعود إلى البيت. أعود إلى البيت I come back home. ثم أعود إلى البيت. نقطة. Full stop. نقطة. Okay? So, word by word. أستيقظ. Yes. Now we put حركات. أستيقظ. Good. في. This is ba, but with alif. في الصباح. Yes, الصباح. We pronounce it with sukun, okay, as if there is sukun here. When we stop here a little bit, okay, so we say الصباح. أذهب. Yes. إلى المدرسة. So we put همزة وصل because we pronounce مدرسة. Of course, here we have another stop like this one, so we pronounce it. Al-ta is going to be pronounced المدرسة. Okay, it's an exception. For the other letters, all the other letters, ha, sad, fa, all the other letters than the ta, okay, except ta. When they are here before a comma or before a full stop, they take sukun in pronunciation, of course. But at ta, it becomes ha. It's like ha. المدرسة. Okay. أدرس. Yes. جيدا. جيدا. But this is جيدا. We need to have stress on al-ya, what we call ash-shadda. So we put ash-shadda so that we press on it. We say جيدا. جيدا. Well. I study well. Okay. Repeat with me. أدرس جيدا. جيدا. Great. Then in Arabic we say ثم. ثم. I come back. أعود. Okay. To إلى البيت. It's like this. madrasati, because we pronounce البيت. We write this, but we pronounce it with sukun. Okay? إلى البيت. إلى البيت. Great.